What to do if you need to buy a new home alone after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. After a divorce, many people are ready for a fresh start, and for some, that means buying a new home on your own. Whether you're moving out of the marital home or starting from scratch, there are a few important things to keep in mind before making this major decision. Let's talk about how to prepare for a successful solo home purchase. First, get a clear picture of your financial situation post-divorce. Review your income, support payments, debt obligations, and credit score. Lenders will look at all of this to determine your loan eligibility, so it's important to know where you stand before you start house hunting. Next, gather your divorce documentation. Lenders will often request a copy of your final divorce judgment, proof of any spousal or child support, and updated financial statements. Having this paperwork ready to go will help speed up the pre-approval process. We worked with a client who didn't realize her lender needed her divorce decree and proof of support payments to qualify for a mortgage. Once she had the documents in hand, she was pre-approved and able to move forward without delays. At Divorce 661, we don't just help you through the legal side, we help prepare you for real-life transitions like buying a home. That includes helping you organize key paperwork and connecting you with mortgage professionals who understand post-divorce financing. Also, don't feel pressured to buy immediately. Make sure the purchase fits your long-term budget and emotional readiness. Renting for a short time while rebuilding your finances is sometimes the smarter, less stressful move. If you're ready to move forward and want guidance on how to buy a new home after divorce, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you prepare legally and financially so you can make a confident and informed decision on your next home.